we have to estimate the sum of these three decimal numbers by rounding to the specified place value. In this example, we need to round to the thousandth. So first let me copy our example. We have 0 decimal point 00822 plus 0 decimal point 00478 plus 0 decimal point 0065. We have to round first each number to the nearest thousandth. So first after decimal point is tenth, hundredth, thousandth. So this is third digits after decimal point. We have to underline. And next we have to do rounding. So we need to check the digits after our underlined digits is 2. When the number is less than 5, what we have to do? Nothing. We just copy everything what we have before our underlined digits and our underlined digits, and everything what is after we change to 0. So it will be 0 decimal point 008, and we have 0 0 plus, and we have after 4 now we have 7, so number is greater than 5. When we have number greater than 5, we need to add 1 to our underlined digits, and now whatever we have before we have to copy before our underlined digits, and after our underlined digits we change to 0. So 4 plus 1 is 5, and we have 0 0 decimal point 0. And the last number after 6 we have 5. So when we have 5 or greater number, we have to add 1 to our underlined digits. And every digit after our underlined digits we have to change to 0. So it will be 0. 6 plus 1 is 7, and everything what is before we have to copy. So now we have to add these three decimal numbers. We have 0 decimal point 008. We don't have to write the zeros after after 8 because they doesn't change the value of our number. Plus, and we have 0 decimal point 005. The same, we don't have to write the zeros after 5, and we have plus 0 decimal point 007. So now this is equal. We have to add three decimal numbers, so let me write them in vertical columns, aligning decimal points. So it will be 0 decimal point 008 plus 0 decimal point 005 plus 0 decimal point 007. So 8 plus 5 is 13 plus 7 is 20, so we have 0 and 2 we add to next column, so it will be 2 0 decimal point, we copy exactly in the same column and we have 0. So our solution will be 0 decimal point 02. We don't need to write the last 0 because it doesn't change the value of our number. So our solution, what will be, the estimated sum is 0.02. This is my solution.